Apple is quietly engineering an absolute monster of a workstation that is about to completely rewrite the rules of professional computing, and it is happening right under our noses. For years, the tech giant left a massive, glaring void in its desktop lineup, abandoning the legendary iMac Pro moniker and forcing top-tier creators, developers, and data scientists into a fragmented world of separate desktop blocks and premium external displays. But the latest exclusive supply chain leaks originating from deep within the Taiwanese hardware assembly loops paint a fascinating and terrifyingly powerful new reality for late 2026. Apple is not just resurrecting the iMac Pro. They are executing a strategic consolidation that effectively spells the end for the traditional modular Mac Pro tower as we know it. The concept of an ultra-premium all-in-one desktop is being reimagined from the ground up, moving away from a casual family appliance and transforming into an uncompromising, industrial-grade powerhouse designed to capture the absolute highest margins of the Silicon Valley and global tech enterprise markets. This upcoming machine is whispered to be a 32-inch behemoth featuring an unprecedented 7K resolution panel, powered by a next-generation silicon matrix that will bypass standard configurations entirely to offer industrial configurations that will make current setups look like ancient toys. To understand why this unannounced machine is causing massive panic among competing workstation manufacturers, you have to look at the massive shift currently happening within Apple's silicon fabrication contracts. The upcoming iMac Pro is slated to skip conventional processing tiers and introduce the highly anticipated M5 Ultra architecture, built on an enhanced 2-nanometer platform that maximizes transistor density to levels never before seen in consumer or commercial electronics. Industry insiders tracking the movement of specific high-bandwidth internal components report that Apple's engineering team has completely redesigned the thermal fusion architecture required to run these hyper-dense dies at full throttle without a single hint of thermal throttling. Unlike smaller enclosures like the Mac Mini or even the semi-portable Mac Studio, the massive aluminum internal volume of a 32-inch pro-grade chassis allows for a radical, dual-outlet vacuum vapor chamber system. This means the machine can sustain peak clock speeds across its massive array of super cores and performance cores indefinitely, effectively rendering the traditional concept of a massive, loud, fan-driven tower obsolete for 99% of professional workflows. The visual experience of this machine is where Apple plans to completely blindside the high-end display market. For the past several years, professionals have been forced to shell out thousands of dollars for the Pro Display XDR if they wanted true reference-grade accuracy. But supply chain leaks confirm that the 2026 iMac Pro will feature a cutting-edge Tandem OLED assembly across its massive 32-inch canvas. This isn't just standard organic light-emitting diode technology. It is a layered stack design similar to what we saw break records in the premium iPad Pro lineups, but scaled up to a massive desktop form factor. This breakthrough allows the display to achieve an astonishing 1,000 nits of sustained full-screen brightness and an incredible peak brightness for high dynamic range content, all while maintaining perfect, inky blacks and an infinite contrast ratio that mini LED technology simply cannot replicate without distracting blooming artifacts around fine text or complex lines. By utilizing a mathematically perfect 7K resolution across 32 inches, Apple ensures that creative professionals can edit native 6K or 8K video footprints at a precise 1-to-1 scale while still leaving ample, uncompromised real estate for toolbars, timelines, and asset management systems. But raw screen real estate means nothing without the specialized processing pipelines required to move hundreds of gigabytes of data per second across the system architecture. The underlying power structure of the new iMac Pro relies heavily on Apple's newly unveiled Fusion architecture, a methodology that treats separate silicon dies as a single, perfectly unified computational engine with near-zero latency overhead. The M5 Ultra variant, destined for this machine, is rumored to sport an unbelievable configuration of up to 36 CPU cores, heavily weighted toward high-performance supercores that feature massive front-end execution bandwidth and state-of-the-art branch prediction algorithms. When matched against the original M1 series or even mid-generation configurations, this architecture delivers a multi-threaded performance leap that turns multi-hour rendering queues into instantaneous tasks. For software engineers compiling massive multi-gigabyte code bases or data scientists training complex localized large language models, this means a total reduction in dead time, creating an environment where creative and analytical thought is never interrupted by a spinning progress wheel. Graphics performance is undergoing an equally staggering revolution, with leaks highlighting a next-generation graphics processing unit architecture that integrates a dedicated, hardware-level neural accelerator into every single shader core. This means the iMac Pro will not just rely on a separate neural engine block for artificial intelligence and machine learning tasks. Instead, its entire graphics matrix will be natively optimized for high-throughput tensor operations. Creators working in advanced spatial computing, real-time, three-dimensional environment rendering, or complex visual effects pipelines will experience up to an estimated 4 times acceleration in peak compute capabilities. This architectural change allows Apple's third-generation ray tracing engine to calculate hyper-realistic light interactions, bounces, and reflections in real-time inside software like Blender or Cinema 4D, giving artists the ability to preview cinematic quality scenes instantly without waiting for overnight cloud renders to finish processing. Data bottlenecks are the ultimate enemy of any true professional workstation, and Apple is addressing this by completely overhauling the inputs and outputs on the back of this sleek, industrial space gray chassis. Leaks from the manufacturing lines indicate that the machine will completely drop legacy connector speeds to feature an array of 6 dedicated Thunderbolt 5 ports. Operating on the latest standard, these ports will leverage asymmetric data delivery to provide up to 120 gigabits per second of bidirectional bandwidth, which is a massive leap over the aging limitations of older connection types. This extreme data throughput allows users to daisy-chain multiple external high-resolution displays or connect ultra-fast external storage arrays that perform at identical speeds to internal solid-state drives. Furthermore, the supply chain indicates the return of an integrated SD Express 4.0 slot on the side of the display casing, a massive win for high-end filmmakers using next-generation camera cards that require maximum transfer speeds directly into the editing timeline. Memory bandwidth is another critical arena where this machine aims to establish absolute dominance over traditional x86-based Windows workstations. By utilizing a massively widened unified memory bus, the top-tier configurations of the M5 Ultra iMac Pro are expected to support up to an unprecedented 256 gigabytes of ultra-fast unified memory, boasting a memory bandwidth that screams past 1 terabyte per second. Because this memory is shared directly between the CPU, the GPU, and the specialized media engines, there is no need to constantly duplicate massive texture files or data tables across separate system memory pools. A filmmaker working on an uncompressed 8K raw video project can scrub through multiple streams of video instantly, apply heavy color grading profiles, and run background noise reduction passes simultaneously without a single dropped frame, because the entire project file rests inside a single, hyper-accessible memory ecosystem. Storage performance is seeing a parallel elevation, with rumors indicating that Apple is introducing a revolutionary dual-channel flash storage array that can achieve read and write speeds hitting up to 14.5 gigabytes per second. This effectively doubles the storage speed of prior professional laptops and desktops, allowing the iMac Pro to act as a localized data server for independent production studios. This blindingly fast storage tier means that virtual memory swapping becomes practically imperceptible, providing an extra layer of system stability pushing the machine to its absolute computational limits. The base model is also tipped to receive a long overdue bump, starting at a minimum of 1 terabyte of ultra-fast storage to accommodate the massive file sizes standard in modern, high-tier creative workflows.